Mods can be expensive, but you can look thick, fast, and respectable with a $10,500 Subaru Impreza WRX Mark I and a body kit that bolts right on. The Impreza's bulletproof boxer-engined, less popular cousin,
the Legacy,
is a great choice for modding on the cheap. Go for a 2010 for a reasonable $7,700. With E26 Gen Beamers still getting a whole lot of love. A 2000 BMW 3 Series E46 for just over 10 grand and a body kit might make up for the fact you aren't driving an M3. Got less than $10,000 to spend on a performance car, huh? 07's Mazda 3 midsize hatchback still ticks the JDM box and looks great with a body kit on. A 6th Gen Honda Civic goes for an average of $9,194, and with the seemingly infinite amount of aftermarket parts available out there, there's a lot of room to make a unique-looking Civic, let me tell you. An 06 Mazda RX-8 is a little less reliable than a Civic, but more affordable than the more beloved RX-7, so it is a decent candidate for aftermarket body kits. If you want to be admired for good taste, spend around $8,405 on a 1990 Toyota MR2W10 and add on a body kit to look fast and be affordable. Volvos have a rep as safe and bland. Challenge that with a 2000 Volvo V70, which will run you about $8,091, and add on a big bad body kit to your super safe grocery getter. For just over 7 Gs, you can swing a Mitsubishi Eclipse 3G. The 3rd Gen Eclipse makes for one of the best Japanese cars to throw a body kit onto. Although they're not so popular in America, a 1998 VW Golf Mark III is one of the hottest hot hatches in Europe. And for just $7,010 or so, you can buy one of these humble hatches to mod. For about $1,000 less than that, a Ford Mustang SN95 is a pretty, kit-ready American muscle car. You can work for about 6 weeks full-time at McDonald's, save all your checks, and you could snatch yourself a $2,800 2004 Hyundai Tiburon, which looks pretty snazzy in a body kit. How's that for the American dream?